sound could solve a lot of problems if non-native users of English can gain mastery over the sound. What sound? This is the sound. Say If you can gain mastery over the sound, oh my, you will not see worship and say worship. If you know the sound, you won't see bird and say bad. If you know the sound, you won't see observe and say observe. No, it is not observe. You won't see servant and say servant. The bird sound says Word examples are obvious. They are bird, as in bird, as in shirt, as in observe, as in servant, as in worship. It is not worship. It is not worship. It is worship. It's not homework. It is homework. Work. And it is not word of God. No, it is a word. The sound again is What's the sound? Say That's it.